Coffee is one of the most widely consumed beverages in the world. And for decades, scientists have observed a consistent connection between coffee consumption, increased longevity, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. Now, researchers from Texas A&M University have uncovered a key biological mechanism that may explain these long-observed health benefits. According to the study, compounds found in coffee interact with a specific protein receptor, known as NR4A1 receptor, a critical regulator involved in aging, cellular stress response, and disease development. As explained by toxicology expert Stephen Safe, coffee contains bioactive compounds that can activate this receptor, helping the body respond more effectively to damage and stress. The NR4A1 receptor belongs to a group of nuclear receptors that regulate gene expression. It acts as a kind of nutrient sensor, detecting compounds from food and triggering protective biological responses. When tissues are damaged, NR4A1 helps reduce the impact of that damage. Without it, cellular stress and deterioration can significantly increase. This receptor is involved in multiple critical processes, including inflammation control, metabolism regulation, and tissue repair, all of which are directly linked to aging and age-related diseases such as cancer, neurodegenerative disorders, and metabolic conditions. In laboratory experiments, scientists discovered that several compounds in coffee, particularly polyphenols and substances such as caffeic acid, bind to the NR4A1 receptor and enhance its activity. These interactions were shown to reduce cellular damage and slow down the growth of cancer cells in experimental models. When researchers removed the NR4A1 receptor from the cells, the protective effects of coffee compounds disappeared entirely, confirming the receptor's central role. Interestingly, caffeine itself was not found to be the primary factor behind these benefits. While caffeine can also bind to the NR4A1 receptor, it showed minimal impact in comparison to polyphenolic compounds. This finding may explain why both regular and decaffeinated coffee demonstrate similar positive effects in large-scale population studies. However, scientists emphasize that coffee's impact on health is likely multifaceted. Multiple biological pathways and receptors are involved, and NR4A1 may represent just one of the key mechanisms among many. At this stage, the findings do not change existing recommendations for coffee consumption, but they provide strong evidence that the health benefits of coffee are based on real biological processes, not just statistical associations. In other words, coffee may play a meaningful role in supporting the body's ability to resist stress, slow aging processes, and potentially reduce the risk of serious diseases. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more science-based health insights and discoveries.